A great morning to all. Today's topic is missing digits. Let's start this topic with example 1. Find the missing digits in the following addition sum. Okay. So students, this is your question. We have the place value chart up to 1000 and 4 empty boxes are there. Let's start. First you have to concentrate on ones place. We have 5 and 8 at ones place, right? And one missing digit, the answer part is 2. Okay. First you have to add the numbers whichever given in that ones place. 5 and 8 is it? Just you add. 5 plus 8 equal to 13 is it? So just you mention that 13. Okay. Now what's the answer part? 2 is it? So write all the numbers ends with 2 aside. What are they? 2, 12, 22, 32, etc. Is it? Now you have to compare these numbers with 13. Okay. Just to compare one by one. 2 less than 13, 12 less than 13 and 22 greater than 13. So you have to select 22. Actually 32 also greater than 13, but you have to select first greatest number. Okay. So we are selecting 22. Now you just subtract 13 from 22. 22 minus 13. 9. Okay. Now you mention this 9 in this box. That's it. Now let's check whether it is right or wrong. 5 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 22, is it? So 2 down, 2 as carryover. Now first part over. Now we can concentrate on second part, tens place. Okay. Just you have to add all the numbers which is given in that tens place. 2, 4 and 3, is it? So 2 plus 4 plus 3 equal to, just you add. Answer 9, is it? Now what's the answer part? 7, right? Now we can write all the numbers ends with 7. 7, 17, 27, 37, etc. Okay. Now you just compare each number with 9. Now see the first number 7. 7 that is less than 9. So don't want to select that. Then 17 and 9. Just to compare. 17 that is greater than 9. Is it? So you can select that 17. Now you just subtract 9 from 17. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. So that's that number you have to mention in that tens place. Okay. So that's over. Now you just check. 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. 17. So 7 down, 1 carryover. Now let's concentrate on hundreds place. You have 1, 3 and 6 at hundreds place and one missing digit also there. So students, you know that very well. First what you have to do? You have to add all the numbers which is given in that hundreds place. Is it? So 1 plus 3 plus 6 equal to, just to add 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10. Is it? Okay. Now what's the answer part? 5. Just to write all the numbers ends with 5 at top. Okay. Just to mention it. What are they? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 55. It will goes on. Okay. So now let's compare these numbers with 10. The first one is 5. This 5 less than 10. So don't want to select that. The next number 15 which is greater than 10, is it? So you have to select 15. Now just to subtract 10 from 15. 15 minus 10 equal to 5. So just to mention this number in that empty box. Now we can check 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 15, is it? So 5 down, 1 carryover. Now you have to concentrate on thousands place. You have 1, 1 and 2 at thousands place. Let's add 1 plus 2. Okay, just you mention it. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. Is it? So this is that sum of given thousands place. Is it? Now you just concentrate on answer part of thousands place. You have 8. So write all the numbers ends with 8. That is 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, etc. Is it? Now you just compare these numbers with 4. Which is greater than 4? Yes, 8. Is it? Actually all the numbers greater than 4. But you have to select the first greater number. Okay. That is 8. Now you just subtract 4 from 8. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So just you mention that 4 in that empty box. So over. That's it, students. Is it clear? Example 2. Find the missing digits in the following subtraction sum. Okay. So students, this is your question. Now you have to find that missing digits in this question. Okay. We have 0 and empty space in this ones place. Is it? Okay. Now you just compare that. You know that very well. You can't subtract any number from smallest number. Is it? So if we have smallest number at top, what will you do? You have to take borrow, is it? So let's do that. You have to take borrow from 10's place. So 7 will convert as 6, 0 will convert as 10. Now you can subtract. But there is no digit at down. So what you are going to do? You just subtract answer part from 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Okay, so just subtract answer part, that is 5, from 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So just mention that 5 in that empty space. Okay, now just you concentrate on 10's place. You have 6 and 8 at 10's place, right? Smallest number at top, so you have to take borrow from 100's place, but there is 0. So you just go for 1000's place. So 6 will convert as 5 and 0 will convert as 10. Now you just take 1 from this 10. So 10 will convert as 9. 6 will convert as 16. Now we can subtract. So just to concentrate on 10's place. 16 minus 8 equal to, what's that? 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Okay. So 10's part over. Now just to concentrate on 100's place. We have 9 and empty space at 100's place, right? But we have that answer part. What's that? 0. So you just subtract this answer part from given number. So 9 minus 0 equal to 9. So that's it. Just to mention the number in that empty box. Now concentrate on thousands place. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Okay, students. That's it. I hope you all understand this concept very well. Thank you. Have a great day.